Hi, are you looking for a large single-story home in the Temecula Valley? If you are, I've got the perfect home for you. This home is on 35604 Royal Court in Winchester, California, and it is awesome. Let's come inside and take a look. If you'd like more information, I'd love to connect with you. My name is Jamie Grijalva, and my number is 760-224-0506. Again, 760-224-0506. Now I'm gonna go inside before I melt. Bye.